how did you get here so quickly?
Apparating. I've got my apparating license. It was a very hard test.
So why are you here? Aren't you supposed to be at Hogwarts?
I sneaked out from the kitchen of Hogwarts Kitchen, Craft and Bakery to give you the best amazing chocolate cake.
Okay, let's get
And you'll
started.
need your wand.
Oh, well, I don't have mine on me at the moment.
Let's sort your wand out. Accio wand!
Cool. Shall we get started?
Yeah. First we need 2 pans. Accio pans.
We need to line and grease the pans, so...
And now we need a big bowl.
So, Ison, what do we need now? I can't quite remember.
3 cups of sifted flour.
Okay. The last time we did this, we needed, was it 2 cups of brown sugar? Was it 1 or 2? Okay, let's do 2. Great. You know, we should do this a lot more often. It's much quicker.
Yeah.
Right, what's next?
Next, we need 1 cup of sifted cocoa powder. Elliot, we need to mix this now.
No problem. Okay, Accio spoon. So, now that's done, what else do we need?
A bowl for the wet ingredients. Accio bowl. 1 cup of vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 2 cups of water. Add the wet to the dry. For all you wizards out there, the spell is Lincarnum Inflammare. Enjoy!
To you, happy birthday, dear Fafi. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Thank you so much.
Another one.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much. You got to make a wish?
Nine.
Oh, I know. Wait till they go down.